Hey guys, how is it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here, and today we are going to be fitting eyebrows to Norman. And if you don't know what eyebrows are, they are these. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. These are the eyebrows. Basically, what these do is they sit over the headlights like that. It makes the headlights and the front of the car just look a bit more aggressive. I'm not gonna spray them. Because all the plastic trim on the front of my car is just standard plastic. So I don't see the point in having all standard plastic and then one bit of gloss black. It would not look right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to Halfords, find some decent double-sided sticky stuff and attach these to the headlights, because you can't just hook them in. You've got to use some sort of silicone sticky stuff to put them on. So let's get on with that. I have decided to go for number plate, sort of double-sided sticky tape stuff. You can use sealant if you want, if you are doing this, but the reason I'm not using like a silicone sealant sort of gun is because I would probably make a right bodge job of it, and I figure, hey, you can't go wrong with tape. That's why I got two. So yeah, there's my other one. I also go on these air fresheners, because why not? You know, you stood in queue and you just twiddling your thumbs and thinking, I want to buy something else, and then you see an air freshener, you're like, ha, I need one of those. Right then, now we're actually finally getting into this. The first thing we're going to do, and we're going to need, is masking tape. Mainly so I'm going to line up the eyebrows and then put a bit of masking tape either side of where I want them. So let's go do that now. So I'm thinking just about there. So although this stuff is thin, it's not quite thin enough to go along here. So I think maybe if I get it just beveled on the edge or something, or maybe cut two tiny bits at each end to secure those bits, and then slap some in the middle that will stick to the actual headlight. I've saw other people do like that and it seems to work okay, so let's have a little play around. And there we go, just like that. Hopefully this does work out. I've got a strong feeling that it will. Just looking at this now, I might even put a couple more, just maybe one here and one here on both of them, and then I'm going to stick it on. Right, so just as I was about to do that and fit the eyebrows, it decided to rain. And you probably can't see it because the camera won't focus here, but yeah, it decided to rain. Right then guys, so I'm definitely not doing any work on the car because it has begun snowing. Like, as if of all the days it could decide to snow. It's just when I want to do some work on the car. Typical. Now the snow has done its thing, it's time to dry these headlights and get these on finally. And there is a finished product. Done. Right then guys, so despite the snow coming out of absolutely nowhere, we've still managed to get them done. I am quite happy I waited for the rain and snow to go before I did fit them, otherwise it'd be plastered in snow and it'd probably end up coming off again. I'm quite happy with them personally. I know people have mixed opinions about them, but at the end of the day, my car, so yeah. So that is how to fit eyebrows to your car, if you didn't know already. Like I said, there are other methods, there are different ways of doing it. You can use a different sort of sticky pattern to what I did. You don't have to do the same, just as long as it stays on, and you can also use, like I said, the silicone gun and that. But that, I just prefer the sticky stuff. It's easier, and you can just always pull it off if you change your mind about them. But that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed.
please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it really helps me out. Maybe leave a comment on your thoughts and feelings on this video if you so much would like to, and also press that bell for notifications on future uploads if you do enjoy the content that much. But that is it for this video, guys, and until the next time, peace.